I'm Helen Epega, also known as the Venus Bushfires, and I see music as colours.
I'm a composer, librettist, performer, and visual artist. As a synesthetic artist, I don't just hear music, I see it. Sounds of Us UK, British Stories from an African Perspective is my new album, a sonic portrait of modern Britain told through a Nigerian lens. It translates recent trending UK moments into living sound. In collaboration with Journey Through the Senses and supported by the Performers' Right Society Foundation, we invited the audience into my world, where music becomes movement, memory, and paint. This project was brought to life with the launch at Ladbroke Hall in London. This isn't just an album, it's an experience you feel with your whole body. Through my creative practice, I harness music and other expressive arts to bring together different cultures, to celebrate each other wildly. My music explores African percussion, Western classical music, folk, electronic textures, and the sound of cityscapes. It is playful, spiritual, and deeply human. Sounds of Us UK invites us all to listen with more than ears, and to express ourselves creatively.
We are our own masterpiece. Let's celebrate each other through sound and art.
And all the people dance in this catchy song in the presence of each other.